your body, shake your body, hands up, hands down. Close your mouth and listen to me.
Dear Sue, I wrote to the zoo to send me a pet. They sent me it was too big. I sent him back. Very heavy. What animal is it?
Elephant. Okay, and what color is? Gray.
Very good.
So they sent me he was too tall. I sent him back. Rahim. He's very tall. Yellow. Yes. Giraffe. A giraffe.
So they sent me he was too fast. I sent him back. Jungle.
Lion. What color is? Yellow. So they sent me he was too grumpy. I sent him back. He's a camel. He's a camel.
So they sent me he was too scared. I sent him back.
He's a snake. So they sent me he was too naughty. I sent him back.
Who is that?
He's a monkey like me.
So they sent me he was too jumpy. I sent him back.
He's a frog. So they thought very hard and sent me he was perfect. I kept him. He's a dog.
From all your friends and the zoo. And that's all.
Listen to them.
Hola,
Of course. Where's
Where is the spot? Naughty spot. Naughty spot. It's dinner time. Where can he be? He is behind the door. No. Is he inside the clock? No. Is he in the piano? No. Is he under the stairs? No. Is patrón.
Yes.
Yes?
No.
What's that?
Monkey.
Monkey! Another monkey!
Miriam.
Yeah? 2 monkeys!
And who is eating?
What is he eating?
Monkey.
No.
What is he eating?
Banana. Is he under the bed?
Yes.
No. What animal is he? Is he in the box?
And now?
Yes. No. There's Bob. He's under the roof. The mat. No. Trash the basket. Is he under the
And Michael? No?
Yes.
Yes.
Good boy, Spot. Eat up your dinner.
Mine.
The story of the little mole. Who now is was not of born size? One day the little mole poked his head out from under to the water. The sun had already risen. What is happened? How mine? Cried the little mole. Who has dog his on my head?
Ugh, nasty.
Did you do this in my head? He asked the dog who was flying fast. Me? No, Gold. I don't it like this. She answered, polite.
Did you do this on my head? He asked the horse. Who was grazing in the pasture? Me. No, horse, God. I don't live like this. Plot, plot, plot.
Did you do this on my head? He asked the hare. Me? No, I don't eat like this, answered the hare. Beep, 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 beep.
Ugh, nasty.
Did you do this on my head? He asked the dog. Who had been dreaming all day? Me? No, Paul, God. I don't need like this, she repeated. Please, 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 please.
Ugh, nasty.
Did you do this on my head? He asked the cow. Who was the cow? Who was chewing the food? Me? No, cow. Cool. I don't eat like this. Flash.
Did you do this on my head? He asked the pig. Me? No, God, I don't eat like this, repeated the pig.
Did you do this on night? He was going to ask again. But as he came closest, he saw only two big fat black flies, and they were eating at last. Someone who will be able to help me, thought the mole. Who did this on my head? He asked the excited. Kept nice and still buzzed the flies. There was a short pause, and then it is clear to use that it was a dog.
Finally, the little mole knew who had done the burns on his head. Basil, the boss's dog!
Quick as flash, they climbed on the basil kennel. Click. Satisfied, at last, the little media sped happily into his hole underground.
Which story are you going to tell us?
Brown bear, what do you see?
What do you see? Okay.
Brown bear, what do you see? I see a red bee looking at me.
Red bear, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me.
Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me.
Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me.
Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me.
Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me.
White dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me.
Black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me.
Goldfish, what do you see? I see a monkey looking at me.
Monkey, what do you see? I see children looking at me.
Children, what do you see?
We see a brown bear,
And a red deer,
a yellow duck,
a blue horse,
a green frog,
a purple cat,
a white dog,
a black sheep,
a goldfish,
and a monkey looking at us. That's what we see.